Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss on brain teaser problem. So I am discussing one by one all questions. Brain teasers. Question number 1. It is the correct answer. So you read and put tick correct. Question number 2. Write the first 4 multiple of this given question. So solution number 2. This is the brain teasers problem. Multiples of 7 means multiples of 7. So that will be the table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. Like this way you can write. So multiples means 4 multiples only you have to write. So up till 20 at this. Similarly you can do other table also, 4 tables only. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. You read accordingly you fill. Question number 4, find the factors. Question 4 is factors. So factors of 27. So I have shown this how we can do this. There are 2-3 procedures are there. 27 means 9 into 3 we can do. Then 3 1 into 27 we can do. What is another procedure? Only by this way possible. So its factor will be 1 3 9 and 27. So factors of 27 this. Question number 5. Question number 5, whether it is divisible or no. So we will check by this way. We will divide and we will see if the remainder is 0 then divisible, not the no. Question number 6, using factor tree method find the prime factorization. So factor tree method means 30 we will split in 2 parts. Any two numbers you write where the product should be 30. So 2 into 15 we can do, or you can do another also, 5 6 also you can do. So I am doing 2 into 15. 15 is another possible. 3 into 5. This is prime, this is prime, this is prime. So this will be 2 into 3 into 5. Question number 7, asking using division method. Question 7, division method means starting only I am telling you 36 divided by 2 divided by 2. So this is 9 divided by 3 and divided by 3. So 36 is equal to what we can write? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the answer. Next, question number 8, find the LCM. So LCM, there are 2 methods you have learned. One is the by listing multiples, another is just now yesterday we have seen by prime factorization method. So any number, any method you can do. Question number 9, how many even numbers are there between 20 and 50? So even number means which is divisible by 2. So after 20 what will come? 22, 24, 26 and up till 48. Like this way, like this type we will go the difference of 2 means which are the divisible by 2. So starting will be 22 and ending will be 48, and between these two you write all the even numbers. Question number 10, write all prime numbers between 50 and 80. So between 50 and 80 you see the number whose whose prime factorizations are, prime factors are only 2. Whose factors are only 2, that will be prime numbers. So you make the list, and one more method is there for finding 1 to 100. We will do one by chart. One day I will show you how to find the prime numbers. One trick is there. Question number 11, write any 5 odd multiples of 3. Odd multiples of 3, any 5. So 3 1 is 3, first multiple it is odd. 3 2 is 6, we can't write. 3 3 is 9, yes we can write. So 3 9, after that 12 we can't write because odd multiples. After 12 50. So what will be the answer? 3 9 15 then 21. So this will be By this way you can find the odd multiples of 3. So your homework is brain teasers all questions you finish. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay.